Hey, I'm Scott. Today we're going to be talking about Ekena Millwork's line of gable brackets. So what is a gable bracket? A gable bracket is a decorative element that goes up into the eave of the house. Its true intention is to add value to your house, to add curb appeal. It's the aesthetics of your house. It's a beautiful accent. When we first started making gable brackets, it was done at the request of the contractor because it's hard to cut all the curves and the angles on the job site. So initially we started making it in our rustic timber line, which was Western red cedar, Douglas fir. Because of the request from our customers, we started making it out of the paint grade option, which was PVC. PVC is a great exterior material. It's rot free, it's insect resistant, it is paintable, and it's virtually weatherproof. So how do we manufacture this product? As you can see behind me, there's a lot of CNC machines. We basically take the design of your gable bracket, we slice it up into individual slices. What that does is it allows us a lot of flexibility in design, but it provides a great solid product for your installation. In our designs, we have a lot of different designs. We have 9, 10 plus designs. We also have a lot of custom capability. So if you have blueprints, if you have a picture in mind, feel free to send it to us and we'll figure out how to make it. When it comes to sizes, we have a lot of flexibility. Truly, we start at about 36 inches, but we can go as big as needed. So if you have a custom size, a custom design, let us know. When it comes to installation, we try to make the installation as easy as possible for you when we design our products. As you can see, gable brackets can be pretty large, so it may take a couple people to install this product. But truly, it is as easy as applying a high quality polyurethane glue to your surfaces that will butt up against the eave, and then using exterior grade screws to screw the bracket into place. As I mentioned before, we started making this product in our rustic timber line out of Western red cedar, Doug fir, so we have that available. But as complementary products to our PVC line, we have a host of gable brackets, regular brackets, braces, corbels, a whole line of exterior grade decorative products for your house. If this truly is not the right product for you, we have a ton more products available. For more innovative and interesting products, check out our website or give us a call anytime.